What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I have the MagGlass here for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, I do have a tempered glass on here right now, but I'm going to take this off and I'm going to go ahead and put on this glass. Now, there's different versions here, as you can see. You've got the UHD full coverage there, and you've got privacy glass, which you tilt it back and forth and it'll not show. And then this one right here, this is the matte frost glass. Now I went on ahead and open this up because the packaging was a little tedious to get off, but so matte full coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on right here. They have a little guide where you can just sit it on and you just drop your phone on like this, and it'll just do its thing. So we're gonna try to make this happen. I shouldn't have to do too much, seeing as though seeing as though this should be a pretty simple task here. Let's get a little closer. Here's the glass though. It is matte, and you guys remember back in the day I used to love matte screen protectors, and you can see what it's going to look like. It's going to change it to so there's no fingerprints. You'll still have a beautiful display, but there won't be fingerprints. So I'm going to try to avoid cleaning the glass. I just want to peel this off and get this put right on right away like this. So just put it on right here. You can see how the glass is going to drop right down in there. So let's peel it up. This was just an extra glass that I had laying around for the XS Max because, well, they all fit. All right, let's make it official. Let's clean this thing. Give you the full rundown. You got your stickers here. You got your guide stickers, but you don't need that because it gives you a little cradle there. Let's get it all cleaned up. Let's clean these edges and just all around. How are you guys enjoying your new iPhone? Are you enjoying your new iPhone? Did you buy the new iPhone? I went to the Apple store and I was picking up some new things last night, and I was tweeting about it, and man, oh man, it was a million people in there buying iPhones, waiting in line. I felt bad. I didn't want to take a picture, so I just took a picture of the other side of the store, what I was tweeting about. But ultimately, there are still a bunch of people that have not gotten their iPhones yet. And I guess I kind of took that for granted. I kind of figured, everybody has their iPhones and they're enjoying them, but some people don't. So we're going to get this all cleaned up, and then we'll drop that glass in place. And we should be good to go. The guide is on. All right, and then we'll drop this down in place. So I'll just peel this off right here, and we'll have a matte tempered glass. This is what I think is really sweet. You just drop it down, boom, hit it, and it should adhere. Well, probably not with this glass on, it looks like. So let's take the glass off, and then let's let it adhere. All right, there we go. There we go. Now to get these out, you can just push them away. Some people use a microfiber cleaning cloth with the little card, but I think I'll enjoy having the matte screen protector back on here, and then I get a matte tempered glass. This is boss. No more fingerprints, man. No more fingerprints. Loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Look at that. That's beautiful, folks. That's beautiful. A couple little bubbles here and there, but it's just the way I push them out. But you just work them through, and they will come out over time. And this is probably going to stay my setup. I do have white stone domes coming in, but I don't think I want to use them. I shouldn't have agreed to review them, but I might have to go ahead and do it, man. But I'd hate to take this one off because, man, this is my only one of this. So anyway, there you have it, man. New matte glass on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is where it's at, folks. I'm loving this.